way actually Edge fits is a perfect tool for our customers to bridge IT and OT. So you can see this IoT stack on your OT side. You have all different kinds of sensors, your field devices, and automation systems. So that's where the data is being generated. And then you have POCs, your controllers. You can use POCs to automate your processes. But then all this data, you can actually use edge computing platform, our industrial edge, to collect this data in real time. And you can even store this data locally on the same edge device or run advanced complicated analytics applications on the same device. The three key components that consist of industrial edge. So from top down, we have industrial edge hub, which is placed in the cloud and is operated by Siemens. It is basically your global app repository that helps you to easily manage all your purchase subscriptions, your software, your applications. And one thing to note that all our edge applications, they are software as a service. The central layer is the industrial edge management systems. So this management system can either be placed on-prem, so in virtual machine, or you can also run it in your Kubernetes cluster. So either on-prem or in your private cloud. Very flexible. And this edge management system is pretty much your central management console, also your local app repository to help you manage hundreds or even thousands connected edge device and those applications that you installed individually on the specific edge devices. And then in your factory level, on your on your production line, that's where all these edge devices they're plugged into. So we have a few examples of our edge hardwares. So this is our 127E, which is a very lightweight. So if you're looking for a specific edge data gateway device that helps you to transfer data from OT to IT, definitely you can go with this. But let's say if you want to run some analytics applications, you want to do some OEE monitoring, dashboarding, or if you even want to bring your own AI model, your like machine learning algorithms, you can go with a 227E or maybe go higher to a 427E. And one thing I also like to highlight is this industrial edge virtual device. So they can run industrial edge virtual device on any computers they want. Right? We also support different analytics. So performance analytics is the first use case, and this is powered by Performance Insight. So basically, this is your data visualization app, and you can use Performance Insight to do OEE monitoring, OEE analysis, to monitor your quality, and even further KPIs dashboardings as well. So this helps you to get a holistic overview of your machine conditions, the performance overview of your machines. The other analytics is called Energy Analytics. This is supported by another visualization app called Energy Manager. So obviously, it helps you to understand the energy consumption, the energy cost, and the carbon dioxide emissions from your machines and even from your production line. So you can also create and configure different dashboards within these applications. Either a Sankey diagram. For example, if you look at it over here, this Sankey diagram running on Energy Manager will let you know exactly where the energy consumption is from. So it can be from a filling line, a mixing line, or from different equipment such as boiler or compressors. So you get the transparency about your energy consumption.